So a Delhi court has ordered the framing of charges against former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain, his brother and 4 others in a matter pertaining to the February 2020 North-East Delhi Riots. Now, the court said that the accused hatched a conspiracy to kill Hindus and harm their properties. The court also noted that the facts and evidence of the case show that a number of persons assembled at the house of Tahir Hussain, and some of them were perhaps equipped with weapons, including petrol bombs. So that's the observation that has been made by the court. But on the other hand, the BJP has claimed that the Delhi riots were nothing but a pre-planned conspiracy by the Aam Aadmi Party. Listen into these reactions.
किसी से छिपा नहीं है। जिस तरह से नॉर्थ ईस्ट के दंगे हुए, प्रायोजित हुए, सुनियोजित हुए, पूरी तैयारी के साथ हुए और उसमें आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी नेताओं का हाथ था। और जब दंगे हो रहे थे तो ताहिर हुसैन हो, उनके लगातार फोन कॉल्स अमानुल्लाह खां हो या आम आदमी पार्टी के बड़े नेताओं से थे। और जिस तरह की पुलिस की जो चार्जशीट फाइल हुई है, उस चार्जशीट में एक एक बात का वाकया, किस तरह व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस का इस्तेमाल किया गया, किस तरह से कोडवर्ड में बातें की गई, किस तरह से वहां के लोगों को पहले आगाह किया गया, जो मुस्लिम इलाके थे उनको आगाह कर दिया था कि आप लोग अपने स्थान इधर उधर कर लो, और जो हिंदू इलाके थे उनको सुनियोजित ढंग से उन लोगों को मारने की साजिश थी।
The anti-Hindu face of the Aam Aadmi Party stands exposed once again. Tahir Hussain, a leader of the Aam Aadmi Party who was known to be very close to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and who was a former corporator of the Aam Aadmi Party, who was the mastermind of the Delhi riots, today has been not only charged but charges have been framed against him under 302, 307, 153A, 120B of the IPC and also under the Arms Act. And it has been found and established that he was responsible for the anti-Hindu riots. He was responsible for mobilizing violence against Hindus and for also targeting the properties of Hindus in the anti-Hindu riots of Delhi that took place. But this is the same leader that the Aam Aadmi Party defended by playing a victimhood card, whether it was Sanjay Singh, whether it was Amanatullah Khan, or whether it was Arvind Kejriwal himself. And therefore, this is not a sayog, but this is a vote bank ka prayog. This anti-Hindu face and anti-Hindu strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party. And therefore, you have Rajinder Pal, who said many Hindu Virodhi things, but no strong action was taken on him. He has not been removed from the party. You have Gopal Italia, who has abused and insulted Kathas and Mandirs and Hindu Samaj. No strong action has been taken on him. And now you have Tahir Hussain, who was the orchestrator and the mastermind of the anti-Hindu riots, but he too was defended by the Aam Aadmi Party. This shows their true anti-Hindu face.
Now, meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party has ducked the charges against its former councillor, saying that law is going to take its own course in the matter.
जो भी काम कर रहा है वो तो कर ही रहा है, लीगल जो भी प्रोसेस है वो है, मुझे इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी है।
Going across to my colleague Nilashish over the phone line for more on this. Nilashish, of course, the court has made observations in the matter wherein charges are to be framed now. But on the other hand, a political slugfest is already underway with Aam Aadmi Party perhaps refuting all the allegations.
Well, absolutely. The Aam Aadmi Party definitely saying that this is a political agenda, political bias against Tahir Hussain. While, of course, the Delhi court has charged the former councillor Tahir Hussain, his brother, and 4 others with fairly stringent offences in terms of the charges in this particular case. Of course, very, very pertinent observations made by court as well in this particular order, saying that there seems to be a clear-cut objective in mind to kill and harm properties of Hindus. It was also stated by court that the mob seemed to have an objective against Hindus, and the people who are participating cannot be said to be oblivious towards that common objective of that mob. So now on the 31st of October, the accused will be produced before court for either admission or denial of certain documents, and thereafter the trial will commence.
All right, thank you Nilashish for all those updates on the broadcast. Now let's move on and shift our focus to